Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stella Fashion. How are you friends? I hope you are so well. Friends, today's video about very amazing and very attractive DPs collection for your WhatsApp, profile pictures for your Instagram and cover photos for your Facebook. You can get the very gorgeous and very attractive DPs collection and beautiful pictures you can choose from this video. I suggest you can watch video till end and get the ideas according to your choice. Friends, you can take the screenshot and save in your gallery these pictures and set as your WhatsApp DPs, your Facebook profile pictures and Instagram profile pictures. I hope you like these ideas friends. If you like these ideas, then you appreciate me on my efforts by subscribing my channel, by liking my video and sharing my video with friends and your family members. Tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. I am waiting your comments. Your comments is very important for me. Also, you can visit my channel and watch the videos about different wallpapers, DP's collection and wallpaper ideas. You can get the different designs you can choose easily from my channel's video. Now friends, I am going we meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.